Jai Gurudev, do I always need you when I am in trouble or not able to handle situations? How far is it good to be independent in life and in what all aspects?
Listen, in this world, nobody is independent. We are all interdependent. We depend on so many things. As a baby, you were dependent. A baby, somebody had to clean you, put the diaper on you. Perhaps many years ago, there was not even diapers. They had to feed you, they had to clean you, they had to bathe you. As a baby, you were dependent. And as an adult, you are in some way or other dependent on others. And old age certainly make you feel that you are dependent. What can give you a false sense of independence is some currency notes. You have paper notes, some currencies, and you think, oh, I pay and then I get the service. It gives you a false sense of independence. Just imagine, suppose one day they say all the currencies in the world is null and void. They have no value. You may have 100,000 and it doesn't fetch you anything. Nobody will even give you a cup of tea for 100,000. What you will do? Nobody want to come and work for you for any amount of money you pay. What you do? You will feel that what a false notion you are in about independence. We are dependent on the air. We are dependent on the trees around you. When they give you oxygen, that's what keeps you alive. Your life is dependent on this planet. And the planet is dependent on so many of us. The entire population has to sustain the planet so that it can help you. It is a matter of interdependence. That's why the ancient seer said, Dharmo rakshati rakshita. You protect the dharma and dharma will protect you. It's a mutual contract with dharma. You protect the nature and nature will protect you. This is interdependence. So drop this false notion of independence. People were wanting independence for prosperity, for happiness, because dependency means pain, suffering, slavery. I'm not talking about slavery here. I'm talking about recognition of common good, shared values, shared existence. Got it? Isn't it? It's not slavery. Slavery again is a mental attitude. When you feel the others are not yours, then you feel you are slave. See, you do some work for your own very dear one, you don't call it you are doing a labor for them. You are being a slave to them. Right? Because there is a sense of belongingness and you take care of each other, you take care of them. There is a completely different notion to it. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? We should not mistake this. We should not say, oh, anyway, Guru said, then why should I work? Someone else is working, let me take advantage of them. It is not that. Not taking, these are different. Not taking advantage of someone, undue advantage. At the same time, not feeling that they are different and I want to be independent. They are different. You know, this mindset keeps you aloof, keeps you in a small boundary, or you confine yourself into a wall, and that causes a lot of suffering, I tell you. Self-inducted suffering, that is, which could be avoided. So, we must learn to be with people, learn to work for them. And this is what spiritual masters place one get to see that or to do, that how to let go of your hesitations, your barriers, your boundaries, and take a quantum leap to another dimension. Right? We have many different boundaries ourselves. Past experiences cause a boundary, and our concept about others will cause one more boundary around us. However, the other person is, it is their problem, but thinking them to be this way or that way is our problem. Do you get it? If someone is unfriendly with you, it is their problem. But if it becomes your problem also, you are the one who is suffering. Right? Yeah. Someone is unfriendly, it is their problem, that's okay. But you be friendly from your side, unmindful of how they behave for you. This shows your strength. If you do not judge people and you be solid, then you are walking on this path which I have been talking to you. You are smiling, your heart is clean and does not, recognize others' attitudes or faults. You walk your way. Got it?